Hello there, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna introduce you to a remarkable Elementor module of our HTMega plugin called Conditional Display. So without further delay, let me walk you through the incredible features it offers. With the Conditional Display module, you can control which content to display on your website based on various conditions. For example, you can choose to display certain content depending on the login status of your users, their roles, the operating system, or the browser they use. The module also lets you show a particular content on a specific day of the week or at a certain time. Sometimes you might need to display a section or a content only for a specific event. For instance, it could be a section that highlights daily deals or other time-sensitive content. Well, in that case, this module comes with a date condition that lets you choose a specific date for your content to appear on the website. You can even utilize this module to showcase content only for a specific date range. That's not all though. If you scroll down a little, you'll find a couple of other features that can be tremendously helpful in delivering tailored content to your potential visitors. For example, the Conditional Display module allows you to identify whether a visitor is new or returning. This way, you can offer them a personalized experience to enhance their engagement and loyalty. It's also possible to manage what content to display based on the parameter values of a URL. In case you need to show customized content to visitors from a particular country, you can do so by leveraging the country condition. Now I'm going to show you how you can utilize this module on your website. First, navigate to the settings page of the HTMega plugin and open the Modules tab. There you'll find an option to enable the Conditional Display module. Alright, let me show you how it works. Let's say you want to apply conditions to this section right here. To do so, go to the Advanced tab and open the panel named HTMega Conditional Display, where you can enable the display condition. Once you enable the option, choose whether you want to show or hide the section. Next up, you have the ability to define when to show or hide this section. You can show or hide the section based on meeting all conditions or just one of them. In case you want to set a specific time zone, you can also do that over here. Then comes the crucial part where you have to add conditions. Here you'll find a number of attributes to add a condition for. For example, you can apply a condition based on the login status, user role, operating system, etc. Let's go ahead and set a condition based on the login status where a logged in user can view this particular section only. Once you're done adding conditions, save or update the changes. Now if you take a look at the front end while you're logged in, the section will be visible to you. But if you check the page without logging in, the section won't appear anymore. Cool, right? And that's how easy it is to use the Conditional Display module on your website. You can also add multiple conditions if you need. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this module, please let us know in the comments section. Thank you.